Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Among Us application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings option down below, which is the second one at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the second section at the top, data, and the first option is language, which is set to English now, but if you tap on it you are going to see that you have a bunch of other languages that you can choose from. So all you have to do is clicking on the relevant one, and then the language of the application will be updated and changed automatically. So feel free to go back to this section anytime you want to change it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.